Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what are the Google Apps. So the Google Apps, they are web-based application or services that the Google provides. They can be accessed using the Google search engine. So now this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So I have opened my Google Chrome. So this is the Google Apps icon. So the Google search, this is the google.com, which allows you to search using the Google. And the Google Maps allow you to see the location. It allows you to see the location of the place or the destination you want to go or the current destination in which you are. The Google Play, it is the Google Play Store that allows you to download apps like the Android apps from the Google. So if we go back, now the Google News, it gives you the news like the current news of all the things. It has like the sports news, the political news, and all the other things. Now the Gmail, if you click on Gmail, you can access all the mails that you have received from your Gmail account. So this is the Gmail. So this is the Gmail. So now the Google Meet is like used for like the virtual communication, like online classes or online, let's say online working. It can be used also for the video calling purposes. The contacts are the accounts that you have added to your Gmail account. We are familiar with the Google Drive. The Google Drive allows you to store files or folders in the Google Cloud. Calendar, it allows you to see which time or when you have meetings, also the current dates. It can also set up a reminder. Now the Google Translate, it allows you to translate from one language to the other language. And the Google Photos, they allow you to like see the photos that you have saved from your, let's say, the mobile phone or from any other device. The Duo, this is used for the video calling. Then you have the document, sheet, slides, and also the hangouts, the classrooms, and all the other things. So these are used for documentation, the books, the blogger, and the hangouts. You can use it for reading the books, you can use it for writing the blogs, and the hangouts, you can also use it for, let's say, online classes or video calling. So these are some of the popular Google apps and their uses. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned the functionalities of the Google Apps. So thank you for watching.